In the symphony of self-care, our kidneys silently conduct the orchestra of health. Today, our spotlight is on 9 fruits that could be the unsung heroes in supporting and cleansing these vital organs. Before we dive into this juicy exploration, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you won't miss out on more insightful content. Let's unpack the secrets of kidney-friendly fruits together. Berry Bonanza, blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries. The Berry Bonanza, starring blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries, isn't just a flavor party. It's a superhero squad for your kidneys. These little wonders do more than tickle your taste buds. They're like guardians, armed with antioxidants. Imagine antioxidants as tiny shields that defend your body, especially your kidneys, from sneaky harmful stuff. So when you munch on blueberries, strawberries, or cranberries, it's like giving your kidneys a protective force field. But that's not all. These berries bring a vitamin C boost to the kidney party. Think of vitamin C as the friendly sidekick that not only helps your immune system, but also sets up a cozy and healthy space for your kidneys to work their magic. It's like creating the perfect workplace for your kidneys to filter out the not-so-great stuff. So, don't hold back. Grab a handful of these colorful berries and treat your taste buds to a symphony of flavors while giving your kidneys the superhero support they deserve. It's a win-win, tasty and healthy, just the way your kidneys like it. Watermelon wave. Dive right into the watermelon wave, not just a summertime delight, but a true blue buddy to your kidneys. This juicy wonder isn't just about taste. It's a hydrating hero for your body. Picture this. Watermelon is like your personal hydrating oasis, thanks to its super high water content. Staying well hydrated is a big deal for your kidneys. It helps them do their job of flushing out icky toxins and waste stuff, keeping everything running smoothly. But wait, there's more goodness. Watermelon comes with a natural sidekick called lycopene, which is a bit like an antioxidant shield. This shield provides extra protection for your kidneys against something called oxidative stress. In simple terms, it's like giving your kidneys a little armor to stay strong. So grab a slice, enjoy the deliciousness, and let the watermelon wave be your go-to tasty way to keep your kidneys happy and well hydrated. It's like a sip of joy for your insides. Apple crunch time. Step into apple crunch time, the snappy snack that works wonders for your kidneys. Apples aren't just delicious. They come packed with goodness that your kidneys will appreciate. For starters, apples are loaded with fiber, like a friendly janitor for your digestive system. This fiber not only keeps things moving smoothly, but indirectly helps your kidneys by preventing constipation. It's like giving your digestive system a high five, and your kidneys get to enjoy the benefits too. But wait, there's more. Apples are like little anti-inflammatory warriors. They bring compounds that help dial down inflammation and ease the stress on your kidneys. Imagine it as a soothing balm for your hardworking filters. And here's a bonus. Apples are buddies with vitamin C, the superhero of immune support. So when you grab that apple and give it a satisfying crunch, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat. You're letting your kidneys soak in all the goodness. It's like a crunchy salute to your kidney health. Grapes galore. Meet grapes galore, the little sweet wonders that not only dance on your taste buds, but also bring a bunch of goodness to your kidneys. Grapes are like tiny powerhouses, filled with antioxidants, especially a cool one called resveratrol. This superhero compound is linked to making your kidneys work even better. Think of antioxidants as superheroes with shields, protecting your kidneys from troublemakers called free radicals. These troublemakers can cause damage, but with grapes around, it's like having a superhero team keeping your kidneys safe and sound. Grapes also know how to keep things cool with their anti-inflammatory powers. It's like they bring a soothing breeze to your kidneys, helping them stay in a happy and healthy state. Whether you're a fan of red or green grapes, make them your go-to snack. Your kidneys will thank you for this tasty and caring treat. Pineapple party. Get ready for a pineapple party, A tropical celebration that brings more than just a sweet and tangy taste to the table. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. This natural compound not only adds to the flavor, but also contributes to kidney health. Additionally, pineapples are rich in vitamin C, offering an immune system boost while promoting a favorable environment for your kidneys. So, join the pineapple party and let your kidneys revel in the tropical goodness. Citrus splash: oranges, lemons, and limes. Let's plunge into the citrus splash, where the zesty trio of oranges, lemons, and limes isn't just a flavor fiesta. It's a boost for your kidney health. Citrus fruits are like the cool guardians of your kidneys, and here's why. These fruits bring a hefty dose of something called citrate, a natural shield that helps stop kidney stones from forming. It's like having a superhero power that prevents the bad stuff, like calcium oxalate, from turning into trouble in your urine. So when you enjoy oranges, lemons, or limes, it's like giving your kidneys a shield to keep them strong and stone-free. But that's not all. These citrus wonders are also packed with vitamin C, the immune system's best friend. Vitamin C is like a cheerleader for your kidneys, supporting them to stay healthy and do their job well. The tangy and refreshing flavors of citrus fruits not only add a burst of joy to your taste buds, but also bring a splash of health benefits for your kidneys. So, go ahead, savor the zing, and let your kidneys soak in the goodness of the citrus splash. Kiwi Kick. Say hello to the Kiwi Kick, a small green powerhouse that packs a punch for your kidneys. Kiwis are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Beyond that, kiwis provide a good dose of potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body, supporting kidney function. The combination of nutrients in kiwi makes it a fantastic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. So give yourself a Kiwi Kick and treat your kidneys to a nutrient-packed snack. Cool Cucumber Refresh. Chill out with the Cool Cucumber Refresh, a simple yet effective way to keep your kidneys cool and hydrated. Cucumbers are made up of over 90% water, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated, which is essential for kidney health. The high water content also helps in flushing out toxins from your body, supporting the natural cleansing process of your kidneys. Low in calories and high in freshness, cucumbers are a hydrating snack that your kidneys will appreciate. So add a slice or two of cool cucumber to your plate and give your kidneys a refreshing treat. Banana Boost. Let's end our fruit adventure with the Banana Boost, a tasty treat filled with potassium goodness that brings a creamy touch to your kidney-friendly choices. Bananas are like little potassium powerhouses, and here's why they're great for your kidneys. These yellow wonders are packed with potassium, a special mineral that does some important jobs in your body. It helps keep the right balance of fluids, making sure everything runs smoothly. For your kidneys, this balance is super crucial. It helps them regulate blood pressure and get rid of waste stuff, keeping everything in tip-top shape. Adding bananas to your eating routine is an easy and delicious way to give your kidneys the potassium boost they crave. So, next time you're feeling snacky, peel open a banana, enjoy the sweetness, and let your kidneys soak up the fantastic benefits of this amazing fruit. It's like a creamy high five for your kidneys. If you've enjoyed this fruitful dive into kidney health, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care of your kidneys, stay healthy, and keep thriving. Thanks for watching.